Hello plant friends, welcome back for another episode. So I just want to tell you that I'm so excited for the next coming episodes. I think I have some really good content for you guys. So a couple days ago I decided to reach out to my plant buddies as well as Instagram and Facebook, and I was asking people to share their Monstera Albo Variegatas, and so many people have reached out to me wanting to share their personal plants. It's great. This is so wonderful because I know that there are a lot of pictures on Google, but seeing these in person, right, is a game changer. But if you can't do that, I think having them on video, seeing these video clips to showcase their beauty as well as the passion and effort and care that their growers and owners have put into them, I think it's just wonderful. And I'm so glad that these owners are sharing these plants with us and letting us appreciate their beauty. So I hope you guys enjoy these clips as much as I do. Again, thank you so much for everyone who has shared and everyone who's sharing for part 2 and maybe even part 3 or 4. Let's go through them, and especially if you love half moons, stay till the end. So the first one comes from Latte Fairy in Illinois. Love that huge moss pole in the middle. Seems like she has 3 plants here. Lots of white and lots of green areas. I bet these plants grow really quickly for her. They all look so healthy. The leaves look immaculate. What wonderful specimens. The second plant comes from my friend Billy. His Instagram is the guy who likes plants, so please follow him. I've been chatting with Billy for quite a while, and I've seen a lot of pictures of his Albo, and I know that he also posts a lot of pictures on the Facebook groups of his Albo, so I thought I was pretty familiar with it when I asked him to send me a video. But goodness, I was apparently wrong. I did not expect such an amazing plant specimen. The coloration is out of this world, and look at those fenestrations. Those fenestrations are remarkable. Oh, those area roots are phenomenal. I think area roots make caring for the plant so much easier because you can just mist the roots daily and keep the soil on the drier side so you don't have to worry about root rot. Oof. And the newer leaves that are coming out are stunning. Goodness. Billy, you're rocking it. This plant is amazing. This next plant comes to us from Europe. I know that in Europe, at least in some areas of Europe, you can get really huge plants for a relatively low price compared to the US and other parts of the world. So the one here from Adansonii is huge. It basically takes the whole entire corner from floor to ceiling, it seems. Absolutely huge, absolutely gorgeous. I love how much green there is. This thing probably grows like a monster. She doesn't have problems keeping it alive. She probably has problems with how fast it grows. Next, we're moving to Australia, and this is a Lisa's specimen. And Albos are absolutely absurdly expensive in Australia, and I think a lot of tropical plants are. So finding any Albo or having any Albo of any reasonable size is pretty remarkable. So this specimen, Alicia, is absolutely stunning. I love how green, how deep, dark green the leaves are. It seems like this one's quite an upward grower and absolutely stunning. It seems you have 2 or even 3. Congratulations. This is amazing. This next plant is going to blow your socks away. I asked the owner to send me videos. He only provided pictures, and I really wasn't going to include it, but it's such a monster. I felt like I just had to. This thing is over 3 meters or over 9 feet tall, and well, I don't even know what I can say to adequately describe it. How is this thing even growing? It's just growing up a wall and supporting itself with natural root attachments? Wow. I don't even know what to say. This is ridiculous. I've never seen a specimen like this. Absurd. This next one comes from Miss R from Georgia. And thank you so much, Miss R, for sending us what I consider a real life Albo. You can see that the white parts are a bit mingled. There are definitely lots of burnt areas. And I wanted to showcase this, and I'm glad that Miss R shared this with us, because this is the reality for a lot of Albos in a lot of collections. It doesn't mean that you're doing something wrong. It's just a part of how these plants are if you're not growing them in the tropics, right? You know, their natural environment is the rainforest and not indoors in your home. So this is a common issue, and I'm glad that Miss R is sharing this quote-unquote imperfect plant with us, because a lot of our plants are going to look very similar to this, and even growers and collectors who have perfect quote-unquote perfect specimens, they know what this feels like. Our next one comes from Oregon, and this one comes from the rainy jungle. This Albo is absolutely huge. I can't imagine that she acquired it anywhere close to this size. This is massive. I've never seen one this size on sale in the US. I haven't even seen anything close to this size on sale in the US. I love that there are highly variegated leaves, and then also some leaves that are just plain green. I love having some pure or mostly green leaves on there, because that really helps promote the growth and provides energy for the plant. So it's good to have a good mix like this. This is a great, humongous specimen. And this last one, I don't even have words for it. I'm just gonna show it. I'll probably talk and comment and make weird noises. You guys can see it for yourself. Here. I don't even know. This is Monica's from Florida. Monica, that's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I mean, not only the amount of white that her plants are having, but also the condition of those white areas. They're perfect and they're large, and I mean, what is she doing? Like, how is she doing that? And at the end, did you guys notice that she has very, very stable half moons?
She has stable half moons?
Yeah, I have no words. So that's going to be it for this episode. I didn't want to make any of the episodes too long, so this is only going to be part 1. There's definitely going to be part 2, probably even part 3. We'll see if there's part 4. As long as people are sending me clips and vids and offering to share their plants, I'm just going to keep making these videos to share. I hope you guys are appreciating the beauty of these plants, from the absolutely breathtaking ones to the ones with their imperfections and quirks and difficulties. I hope you guys are appreciating the passion, the care, the effort that all these growers and collectors are putting in, and I'm hoping it shows through their plants. So as always, thank you again so much for supporting. Please like, subscribe, comment. It really, really helps me a lot, and it helps me make this channel and these episodes better for you guys. So thank you again so much for your support. Happy planting.